What is up guys? Welcome back to another vlog. And as you can see sa title naman siguro, for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my new bike. So, sa mga di nakakaalam, I previously ride a Yamaha MT-09 2018 model yon. I bought it second hand. Ang color niya is blue. Pakita ko sa inyo ito. And then before that, naka 450 SR ako, CF Moto 450 SR. Ito naman yung itsura niya. Ayan. So ayun, nag-start ako sa 400cc and then I jumped into a 900cc na inline 3. And then itong bike na to na nasa harap ko ngayon, dream bike ko talaga to guys. Supposedly after the 450 SR dapat ito yung kukunin ko. However, medyo kulang tayo sa budget that time, kaya like MT-09 tayo. So, I had fun with the MT-09. Sobrang lakas ng torque ng bike na yon. Grabe yung hatak ng bike na yun, guys. As in, talagang if hindi mo kayang i-control yung throttle mo, or if binigla mo yung throttle mo, talagang itatapon ka niya. Ganun kalakas yung bike na yun. What I like about the MT-09 is yun nga, sobrang torque niya. It has riding modes. And, na-adjust yung traction settings niya. It's literally a wheelie machine guys. Nag-practice ako mag-wheelie dun sa MT-09. And all I can say, it was so easy. Hindi ako ganun galing mag-wheelie, pero what I'm trying to say is sobrang daling iangat ng front wheel niya. Even on traction 1, kaya nyo mag-power up. Mag-power wheel. And then second gear, traction off, kayang-kaya nyo pa rin mag-power wheelie. Ganun kalakas yung hatak ng bike na yun guys. So I really had so much fun with it. So we all know the MT-09 is a naked bike, so it's really great for city riding. Yun din yung gustuhan ko sa kanya. Naghahanap kayo ng naked bike na may power, comfort, technology, definitely go for MT-09. Okay, so share ko lang naman yun guys. Personal review or personal experience ko lang yan sa MT-09. Okay, so ngayon papakita ko na sa inyo yung bagong bike natin. Drum roll muna tayo dyan. Alright guys, so there you go. It's a Kawasaki ZX-6R 2020 model. So nakuha ko to second hand din. And when I got it, it has around 15,000 kilometers on it. For a 2020 model, I think that's good enough. Or that's fair enough. Hindi siya ganun kalaspag or ganun kagamit. Alright, so when I got this, naka aftermarket windscreen na siya. So double bubble na siya. Mas mataas na siya sa stock windscreen. Aftermarket lever guards. Mukhang matibay ito guys. Yan. Left and right. And then frame sliders, meron na rin na nakuha ko siya. Engine guards, GP Racing. Tail tidy. Ayan. Ang brand ng tail tidy is Maxtech. Quality tong tail tidy na to guys. Sobrang kapit ng magnet. Tapos may plate light na rin. Ayan. So naka-integrated tail light na rin siya na nakuha ko. Pakita ko yung itsura niya. Ayun, so may animation siya guys pag inon nyo yung bike. And last is itong mags niya sa likod. Kulay-pulay yung kalahati. So ayan, nakuha ko siya, ganyan na siya. And personally, feel ko naman bumagay siya sa aesthetics ng bike. Bumagay siya dito guys. Oh. Ayan. And then, gaya nga nasabi ko kanina guys, nagdagdag din ako ng ibang mods. I'll be making a separate video about those na lang. Abangan nyo na lang yun guys. Pero ayan, balik sports bike na ulit tayo guys. Ito na yung bagong bike natin. And I'm planning to keep this for a while. Hindi muna tayo mag-upgrade. I was hoping to get the 2023 version, yung KRT. Pero I wasn't able to find a good deal. Kaya, ito nakuha natin. Sa picture kasi guys, itong kulay na to, hindi siya ganun ka-appealing. Pero when I saw it in person, sobrang ganda niya. Very minimal lang siya, pero andun pa rin yung angas. Okay, so I have so much plans with this bike guys. I listed down some parts na gusto ko i-install dito sa ZX6R natin. Hopefully we have the budget soon para mabili natin yung mga parts na yon. And then of course I'll be sharing it with you guys. Before I end this video, parinig ko sa inyo guys yung exhaust nito. So this is a M4 slip-on exhaust. Naka-canister pa yan. Sorry, naka-catalytic pa siya. Ayun guys, so hindi ko na binomba kasi ayoko magingay and anong oras na rin. So I'll be posting siguro a short video regarding the sound check nitong M4 exhaust with Rev. Okay, so ayun lang guys for this video. This is now our new bike, the Kawasaki ZX6R. Sobrang pogi niya guys. Up until now, hindi ako makapaniwala na ito na yung gamit kong bike. Gaya nga nasabi ko kanina guys, ito talaga yung dream bike ko. And finally, I'm riding my dream bike. Kaya I'm really happy. Alright guys, so that would be all for this vlog. If nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, make sure to hit that like button. And sa mga nanonood pa rin hanggang ngayon, thank you guys for watching and see you on the next one.